Hello everyone, good morning. It is countdown to summer. Okay, so got my trusty little dog over here. Today is day 9. I believe it's day 9. I hope it's day 9. I don't see that it could possibly be anything else. So day 9. And that means it's my Auntie Jean's turn, and tomorrow will be Kelly from Kel's Kitchen. Don't forget to go down below, click on their links to be able to go and see what they got today for Countdown to Summer. So this came from my auntie. It says Summer Garden, number 9. Summer Garden. Oh, how cute. It's a cute little bell. It's a dragonfly. How adorable. And it's green. And a little pink. Green. And a little pink. I like it. It's super cute. I gotta find somewhere to hang it. Have a little bell outside. It's adorable. And a box of flowers. So I'll have to plant these. There's a few places I always wanted to get some stuff growing. I wonder I guess I'll have to next year. It's already probably past the time to plant, but maybe not. I'll have to read on it. Might be early enough where I could still do it. But wouldn't that be pretty to have all those? It'd be so gorgeous. Okay. So those are my goodies for today. Don't forget tomorrow you have to come back and see what I got for day 10. And let's do our blessing card, because tomorrow is going to be the postcard and the question. Let's see what blessing today is. Okay. Comes from Psalms 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. Let's try this. Can you see it? I know my thing has not been wanting to focus. There we go. Okay. I don't know why it hasn't been wanting to focus very well. But that's a sweet little saying anyways. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. So as long as he's your shepherd, you should be set. So I like these little blessing cards. They're super cute. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. It's a short one today, and I'm heading out to go get some groceries. So till tomorrow. Bye.